Have you ever wondered which diet is the right fit for your health goals and lifestyle? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition, answering that burning question as we explore 7 special diets that can truly transform your well-being. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of a healthier you? Subscribe to this channel now, and let's get started. 1. Mediterranean diet. Pros. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its numerous health benefits. Heart health. This diet emphasizes the consumption of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, primarily in the form of olive oil. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Rich in fruits and vegetables, the Mediterranean diet encourages the intake of fresh fruits and vegetables, providing a wide range of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Lean proteins. It includes moderate consumption of lean protein sources such as fish and poultry, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential nutrients. Fish, in particular, offers heart protective benefits. Red wine in moderation. Red wine, when consumed in moderation, has been associated with improved heart health due to its antioxidant content, such as resveratrol. Cognitive benefits. Research suggests that the Mediterranean diet may support cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline in older adults. Cons. While the Mediterranean diet is generally considered healthy, it does have some drawbacks. Cost. High-quality olive oil and fresh seafood can be expensive, making this diet cost-prohibitive for some individuals. Lifestyle adjustment. For those accustomed to different dietary patterns, adopting the Mediterranean diet can require a significant change in eating habits. 2. Diet. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Pros. The DASH diet is specifically designed to lower blood pressure and improve heart health, blood pressure control. The DASH diet has been shown to significantly reduce blood pressure, making it an effective dietary approach for individuals with hypertension or those at risk of developing it. Balanced nutrition. It promotes balanced nutrition by encouraging the consumption of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains while limiting sodium intake, which is crucial for heart health. Reduces processed foods by discouraging the consumption of processed foods high in salt and sugar. The DASH diet can help lower the risk of obesity and other chronic diseases. Scientific backing. The DASH diet is supported by extensive research and has been recommended by healthcare professionals for its positive impact on cardiovascular health. Cons. Despite its many benefits, the DASH diet may have some limitations. Sodium restriction. Some individuals may find the lower sodium content challenging to adapt to, especially if they are used to a high sodium diet. This requires a gradual adjustment to taste preferences. Meal planning. Following the DASH diet effectively may require careful meal planning and preparation, which can be time-consuming. Vegetarian diet. Pros. A vegetarian diet offers various health and ethical advantages. Weight management. Vegetarian diets are often associated with weight management and reduced risk of obesity. They tend to be lower in saturated fats and calories from animal sources. Plant-based richness. Vegetarian diets are rich in plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains, which provide essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. Ethical and environmental considerations. Many people choose a vegetarian diet for ethical reasons, such as animal welfare concerns and environmental sustainability. Reducing meat consumption can lead to a lower carbon footprint. Cons. While vegetarian diets are generally considered healthy, they do come with certain challenges. Nutrient deficiency. Vegetarians, especially strict vegetarians, vegans, may be at risk of nutrient deficiencies, particularly vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Careful meal planning is necessary to ensure these nutrients are adequately obtained from plant-based sources or supplements. Protein intake. Getting enough protein can be a challenge, especially for athletes or those with high protein requirements. Protein sources in a vegetarian diet, such as legumes and tofu, can be less concentrated than animal sources. Social and cultural factors. Vegetarianism may not align with the cultural or social norms of some individuals, and may present challenges when dining out or at social events. Vegan diet. Pros. The vegan diet offers several health and ethical advantages. Chronic disease risk reduction. Vegan diets are associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes, due to their lower saturated fat and cholesterol content. Plant-based nutrition. Vegans consume a variety of nutrient-rich plant foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Ethical and environmental considerations. Many people choose a vegan diet for ethical reasons, as it aligns with concerns about animal welfare and environmental sustainability. Reducing or eliminating animal products can have a positive impact on the planet. Cons. While a vegan diet offers numerous benefits, it comes with its set of challenges. Nutrient deficiencies. Vegans are at risk of certain nutrient deficiencies, including vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Careful meal planning and potentially supplementation are necessary to address these deficiencies. Protein intake. Ensuring an adequate protein intake can be more challenging for vegans, requiring a focus on plant-based protein sources like legumes, tofu, and tempeh. Social and cultural factors. Adhering to a vegan diet may not align with the cultural or social norms of some individuals, which can make dining out and social events more challenging. Paleo diet. Pros. The paleo diet is known for its focus on whole foods and potential health benefits. Whole, unprocessed foods. The diet encourages the consumption of whole, unprocessed foods, eliminating many processed and sugary items. This can lead to reduced sugar intake and lower inflammation. Weight loss and blood sugar control. Some people find that the paleo diet helps with weight loss and stabilizes blood sugar levels due to its lower carbohydrate content. Eliminates certain allergens. By eliminating grains and dairy, individuals with specific allergies or sensitivities may experience relief from digestive issues. Cons. Despite its potential benefits, the paleo diet has its share of limitations. Nutrient deficiency. The diet restricts dairy, which can lead to calcium and vitamin D deficiencies. The absence of grains may result in a lack of fiber and specific vitamins. Challenging for vegetarians and vegans. The paleo diet's emphasis on animal products makes it challenging for vegetarians and vegans to follow. Lack of long-term research. There's limited long-term research on the health effects of the paleo diet, which may raise concerns about its sustainability and potential health risks over time. Ketogenic diet. Pros. The ketogenic diet is known for its impact on weight loss and potential therapeutic benefits. Weight loss. The diet is highly effective for weight loss due to its low carbohydrate content, which forces the body to burn stored fat for energy. Blood sugar control. The ketogenic diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels and has been used to manage epilepsy and certain neurological conditions. Reduced sugar and refined carbohydrate intake. By restricting sugar and refined carbohydrates, it can help control cravings and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Cons. While the ketogenic diet offers certain benefits, it also presents some challenges. Keto flu. During the initial phase of adaptation, some individuals experience the keto flu, characterized by fatigue, headaches, and irritability. Carbohydrate monitoring. The diet requires strict monitoring of carbohydrate intake, which can be time-consuming and may lead to social challenges, especially when dining out. Long-term sustainability. The long-term sustainability of the ketogenic diet can be difficult for many individuals, as it may not be practical or enjoyable over an extended period. Flexitarian diet. Pros. The flexitarian diet offers a flexible and balanced approach. Toeating. Flexibility. As the name suggests, the flexitarian diet is highly flexible, allowing individuals to incorporate both plant-based and animal-based foods based on their preferences and needs. This flexibility makes it easier to adapt to and sustain over the long term. Balanced nutrition. The diet promotes balanced nutrition, with an emphasis on whole, processed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This approach ensures that individuals receive a wide range of essential nutrients. Ease of adaptation. The flexitarian diet is relatively easy to adapt to, making it suitable for a broad range of individuals, including those transitioning from omnivorous diets. Cons. While the flexitarian diet is a well-rounded choice, it does come with certain consideration, potential nutrient variability. Depending on the degree of plant-based or animal-based foods included in the diet, there may be some variability in nutrient intake. Careful meal planning is essential to maintain nutrient balance. Personal discipline. The flexibility can lead to inconsistency in dietary choices, which may require personal discipline to ensure a healthy balance of food groups and nutrients. Social and cultural factors. Like other diets, the flexitarian diet may not align with the cultural or social norms of some individuals, potentially presenting challenges when dining out or at social events. The flexitarian diet is a versatile and balanced dietary approach that caters to various preferences and dietary needs. Its flexibility allows individuals to experience the benefits of plant-based nutrition, while still incorporating animal-based foods when desired. Careful meal planning can help maintain a well-rounded and nutrient-rich diet while enjoying the freedom to adapt to personal preferences. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey through 7 special diets that offer unique health benefits and considerations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried any of these diets? Are you considering making a change to your eating habits? Your feedback and experiences are valuable to us and our community. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health, nutrition, and lifestyle. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more engaging and informative content from us. And as always, take care of your health and well-being. See you in the next video.